Hello everyone, Sessile the Streamline Engine here. You may never see me before because I was working in London. The truth is, I was actually the creator of this channel. And today, I'm going to tell you the story of how I was built. And once again, and I forgot to tell you, this is the Reddit Railway. So, enjoy! It was in London in 1918. The American put some dynamite on the tracks back during the war, and an old engine was coming down the hill. He braked as hard as he can, but it couldn't stop in time. He was all to pieces. But the soda fuel tank is still okay. Then, in 1919, a man named Sessile and Andrew come to inspect the crash. Said Andrew, "What a happy new year. I thought this year is going to be a great one." Soon they found the train. "Come and take a look at this, Sessile." Wow. Now, that is bad. That is the worst damaged engine I've ever seen. And now, right. So, now I've got to rebuild it. "But how?" asked Andrew. "Oh, don't worry, Andrew. I have a garage back in my home." "Okay, if you say so. But first I need to put these wheels back into piece." It was a long time. It took 19 hours for them. And when he got to the end, he began asking an engine to push. So once the engine pushed the engine all the way back to the garage, he left. Oh, what are we going to do with this one? We still haven't got his energy pads. "Oh, don't worry, Andrew. I can fix it." So we began fixing it. He turned the engine upside down, put the wheel in again, and then put a new energy pad under the wheel. So once that done, he flipped the engine up again. And then Andrew asked, "Sessile, what is it, Andrew?" "I'm just wondering, how are you going to fix the train? You don't have a model of it, do you?" "Oh, I do have a model. It's a red one. But I don't think it'll fit perfectly with the green wheels." So he asked the crane to put the body in. So the crane put the engine on. Once the crane finished, I was still sleeping. So Sessile connected the side rods. Dun, dun. And once he'd done that, the same engine that pushed me into the garage pulled me out again. Dun, dun. The engine uncoupled and ran. So my tender was added. The crane carefully lowered it down, and then the engine backed me up. And then Sessile pulled me up. Dun, dun. And then Sessile waked me up with an engine whistle. What just happened? There you go. Now you're built. You should be named Sessile. Wait, but you're Sessile. Yeah, and I built you, so I give you the name. Oh, thank you, sir. And then I began working, delivering passengers and freights. And now I'm just happy to be me. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, the engine that shunted the wheel, the tender, and me is Stephen. Did somebody say my name? Yes, Stephen. It's me. I'm telling all these viewers the Reddit Railway 1. And also my number is 35. My Cecile's favorite number. And now that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Dun. Like, share, and subscribe. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.